Your new Mazda is available with Apple CarPlay integration, which is a smarter way to access select features of your iPhone while driving. First, you will need to make sure that the car is in park and the parking brake is engaged. And it's easy to get started. Using a lightning cable, connect your iPhone to the USB port labeled with a smartphone icon. Your Mazda Connect system will immediately detect your connected iPhone. There are 3 ways to access Apple CarPlay within your Mazda Connect system. The first and easiest way is to press and hold the home button until the Apple CarPlay user interface is shown. From the Mazda Connect home screen, you can also tilt the commander knob forward to highlight the Apple CarPlay icon in the top left corner, then press down on the knob to select. Lastly, you can also access CarPlay from the Mazda Connect home screen when you rotate the commander knob to highlight applications. Press down on the knob to select, then rotate to choose Apple CarPlay. Once connected to Apple CarPlay, you'll have access to many of your iPhone's native apps, as well as other third-party apps you've installed that have Apple CarPlay compatibility. Now, if at any time you want to switch between Apple CarPlay and the Mazda Connect home screen, just press and hold the home button and you will go to the home screen or back to Apple CarPlay. Now you have access to your iPhone while you are driving in your new Mazda.